HunTech Game and Outdoor is proudly brought to you by Wildebeespan, DJI, Open Wapens, SSG Cases, Mute Silencers, No Scent for an undetected hunt, and Magnum Archery. Brendan, Piper and I continue our trip at HunTech's annual bowhunting destination, Wildebeespan. So far we both managed to harvest 2 outstanding animals despite having bad weather and other challenges working against us. We're hopeful that we'll be successful once again before saying goodbye. We started off with a hearty breakfast before heading back to the field.
So I knew another buck that was on the list that we could shoot was a Nyala. So when Dirk told me we could go out after the Nyala bull, I was really excited to use my Weight Access Ultra. Dirk said he knew at a specific time of the day where we can go, where we would find the Nyalas. So we set out in that specific area where we knew there were specific 2 bulls we could go after. So me and Dirk, we headed to that area. We started our stalking towards the Nyala and we spotted the 2 bulls.
There's a few Nyala bulls. There's 2 Nyala bulls, one with the wide horns.
Yeah, wow, look at that one, wide horn bull.
Let's see if we can shoot that one. Okay, but the wind's perfect. We just have to go around that bush. Then we'll get into maybe a 30-35 yard shot.
Okay.
But they don't seem to notice us, so let's take a chance.
Okay, let's go try it.
About 30 meters.
Okay.
I'm comfortable with this.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for him to turn.
Looks a little bit low.
I think I hit a branch.
No, it looks a little bit low. Okay. Let's give it some time. Give it some time. Just let it be. Let's see what happens. I think it's a little bit low, but it could be lucky there. We couldn't clearly see, but I think you hit that branch.
I don't know. Maybe if the rage opened up, it's got almost a 2-inch cutting diameter. Maybe it will cut the bottom part of a heart if we're lucky. So I hope for that. I don't want to wound bucks.
As long as it will cut something. It's low, but let's be hopeful.
Okay, let's
just give it time. Just give it time.
Okay. I was so disappointed that my my range was wrong. I think maybe there was a chance that I could hit the small branch that was nearby the Nyala. I was worried that I wounded the animal, but the rage broadheads I was using, they had a big cutting diameter. It's like 2 inches. So I knew if there was a small chance for me to hit the bottom of the heart, I knew we would find this Nyala.
I can't believe it. This morning when I took the shot on that Nyala bull, I thought I hit him very low. And there he is. And I'm impressed. The broadheads we used was the Rage that Magnum Archery gave me to use, the 125 grains. It didn't look like that I got a lot of penetration on it, but I guess it just penetrated deep enough to hit vitals. This is a magnificent bull, guys. I'll show you in a bit how beautiful this buck is. Me and Dirk got off the vehicle this morning and we started tracking the bull, and I can't believe we found this beautiful bull.
Walking up to the Nyala bull, I was amazed by it. I haven't shot a Nyala bull like this in quite some time. Wildebeespan has some exceptional animals, and this specific Nyala bull was one of them. I only felt that if I can't use this trophy, I think it would lose the value of this specific animal. So I contacted Mans from Wildebeespan Taxidermy and asked him, can we please donate this trophy for Wildebeespan. So I'm really glad that I was able to shoot this Nyala bull. This segment is brought to you by VisionWorks, Biltong Supply Company, Normark Outdoors, Ultimo Group, Seek Thermal, Wildebeespan Taxidermy, and Night Sight.
No-scent laundry pods, hair and body wash, and field spray allows you to hunt undetected using our revolutionary enzyme formula that eliminates 100% of human odor.
Sy staan nie terug vir 'n man nie, want 'n boeregirl kan. Sy's nie bang vir jag nie, want 'n boeregirl kan. Sy vang die bil by die horings, ry die perde bloot. my joune, dan wys ek jou myne. Daar in die skuur, daar in die skuur.
Dirk, what are we having tonight, man? Yes, you keep on spoiling us rotten here at Wildebeespan.
Cheers, Johan. After Robbie that spoiled us last night with all those delicious game products from Wildebeespan that they do,
Yeah.
you shoot your animal, give your carcass to them, and they make magic of it. Last night, what did you think about those waterbuck fillets?
It was mouth-watering. I couldn't believe that came out of a waterbuck. You know, there's a big myth going around with waterbucks.
That's a little bit of a bull story. A waterbuck is some of the best game that you can ever have. Well, you had some of the waterbuck last night. I mean,
Yeah.
We had Wildebees tongue.
Yeah.
That we had cold with sauce, with
Yes.
like a snack. That was amazing.
That was delicious.
Now we had those awesome skulpijkies, traditional skulpijkies that Robbie makes with the game livers into the sheep shinks. And then we had, what did we also had last night that was so amazing? Oh yeah, you know Robbie's his recipe is 25 years plus old, so
Yeah.
it's a big family secret. It's awesome.
Yeah.
And then also, what else did we have last night that was so awesome? We had those sausages.
Yes.
The cheese sausages.
Oh.
Warhawk especially. Anybody can take a Warhawk to you.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if whatever he makes from the Warhawk, the Warhawk products are the best.
Yeah. And what was amazing for me, you couldn't taste any game.
No.
The game taste you have on the game meat normally.
Robbie's been doing it for over 25 years. So Wildebeespan is an old company.
Yeah.
We've got a very good relationship with them because most of our clients and clients that want to be leave their meat on the farm if they're in Pretoria area or close to Pretoria. Robbie takes the meat from here to Pretoria to the factory, go and process it for them, deliver it for them if they want to on their doorsteps. And they make Gordon Blues, they make the most awesome stitches.
Yeah.
And there's so many products, you can't mention all of them. There's over, I can't remember, but the stuff that he makes for us is over 27 products.
Wow.
And especially on the sausages side. So he makes, you're going to end up eating your own game meat. And except for bottom and the normal bottom grovels thing all the time. But no, he's the stuff that they make, the game meat that they prepare for you to eat is awesome.
You know what is so awesome for me, it's you harvest your animal, you take it to somebody like Robbie, and he processes that carcass for you, and you get to eat what you harvested.
Oh yes. Oh, we had those game pies this afternoon.
Yeah.
How was those pies?
It was amazing.
Brendan, how was those game pies this afternoon?
They were great.
Great stuff. You see, now we were all spoiled by Robbie, and then we've got another friend that's also almost in the same industry as Robbie.
Yeah.
But he does a little bit of normal meat as well, the cattle and the beef and all the stuff.
Yeah.
And Andre, thanks for these awesome T-bones.
Yeah, our biltong
look
sponsor.
look at these packages.
It's amazing.
The packaging is amazing. This is the 6-gun grills, and then he sent us some of the Texan steaks. So we're gonna have all of them tonight. These T-bones are amazing T-bones.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no way I'm gonna eat one of these T-bones. I'm gonna share because they are just too big. And then I've never ever tasted his cheese grillers. This is gonna be the first time.
Look real nice.
So this also looks very awesome. So we'll have his cheese grillers tonight. And the ladies made us all the green stuff, the bokkosies.
Yeah.
So we'll have some of that as well. That is the not the important side.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get these guys on the fire and see if we can get him into a medium for most of us, and then medium to rare for some of us. And then we're gonna. I'm sure this is gonna taste excellent because this meat is absolutely beautiful.
I can see they were.
I'm sure. And thanks to Andre from Wildebeespan. Andre, your meat looks superb.
Yeah, man,
We're gonna really enjoy them.
Yeah, I can't wait to taste it. They look real delicious. And Dirk, thanks again for spoiling us like this.
No, my friend, that's what we're here for. We can never book animals on hand.
Yeah.
Like we say in Afrikaans, elke dag is jagdag, maar nie slagdag.
Yeah, for English friends, every day is a hunting day, but not every day is a slaughtering day.
Not a slaughtering day.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we can neglect a little bit on the hunting side sometimes, but we can never neglect on the campfire side.
Well, yeah, what I always say, guys, book the experience rather than booking the hunt. If you get the animals you want, you had on that day for hunting, that's perfect. But I mean, you can't describe the memories you guys create around the campfire. Get to talk about the day's hunt, what worked, what didn't work well with you, and at the end of the day, you get to share those memories with your friends.
Yeah, for sure, that's one thing you can't put any tag to it. That's what you leave here, came as a client, and you leave as a friend.
Exactly, that's the slogan of Wildebeespan, home of the bowhunter.
Sure,
so for 3 years I've been coming here, and when I come here I feel like I'm family already. So for me it's so awesome to come every year, hunt with you guys. Man, I just want to thank you. It's so awesome to be associated with Wildebeespan.
We were very lucky to bought some very nice memories.
Yeah.
I'm sure we're going to end off this one with a few very nice memories as well.
Yeah, exactly, man. I can't wait to share it with everybody. Let's get these T-boats on the fire.
Yeah, these coals are going to get cold.
Sal dit duidelik sien. Luister vir haar stem wat skreeu en sê gaan wen met harde klippe, kom met bloed en sweet. Jy sterker as 'n stromery. Jy saam met al die golwe staan. Jy klein op daardie berge, maak ons die leeu in jou. Klim op, klim op, klim op. Op jou Everest, klim op, klim op, klim op. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Steek uit jou hande na die hemel bo. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Klim op, klim op, klim op. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Jy weet ons baie wat in jou bly glo. Voel jy wat binne jou brand, sal jy die vuis op keer en weer probeer. Hou jy jou oog op die doel, jy ken jy soek die gevoel. Hoekom wacht is dalk jou laaste dag. Jy sterker as die stromery. Jy saam met al die golwe staan. Jy klein op na die berge, maak los die leeu in jou. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Klim op, klim op, klim op. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Steek uit jou hande na die hemel. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Klim op, klim op, klim op. Klim op, klim op, klim op, op jou Everest. Jy weet as baie wat in jou
No-scent laundry pods, hair and body wash, and field spray allows you to hunt undetected using our revolutionary enzyme formula that eliminates 100% of human odor.
Brendan harvested his first bow kill from a blind, and now he's gonna try out his skills walking and stalking.
So, driving from the camp to the heights, we often saw a Nyala bull It had an off tip. We could see that it was a old bull, and it had a lot of character. And driving past it a few times, I asked Uncle Dirk after my golden wildebeest if I could shoot the Nyala bull, and we got up at about 6 o'clock. 6:30 we were in the field, and we started walking, and I saw the Nyala bull behind the bush.
Just seen the Nyala bull. She's back there. It's about 50 to 60 yards out. I see it's behind the bush. So we're just gonna have a look to see if we can maybe get some elevation to get a better shot. Okay, let's go look. There's a tree in front of you. Let's see if you can get in, and I think we'll get a nice shot from there.
Okay. Andries held my bow for me, and I got up into the tree to get a clear shot because there was a hole that I could shoot through, and it was about 21 yards away. And knowing that I was a bit elevated, I shot a bit high, so the arrow can hopefully pierce both lungs, and that's exactly what happened. I didn't get enough penetration, I think, for both lungs, but it was enough.
It looks like a good shot. High, but should go through the lungs. Double lung shot. There's some nice blood as well. Some nice lung blood. Okay. Yeah, hold my bow. I'm so excited. It's my first Nyala bull. Oh, thanks. Trompies nog nie, niemand kan hom vang nie. Hy is ook nie bang vir 'n leeu, vir 'n slang nie. Trompie, trompie. Soek vir 'n kat, vir 'n jakkals in die gat, of 'n haas in die bad, of 'n beer in die karkas. Trompie, trompie. Sy pyp is groter as sy bam.
And unfortunately, Trompie started chasing the Nyala bull, so it ran a bit further than we expected, but we still found the bull, and it was an amazing feeling, emotional once again. I never thought that I would get my first buck with a bow and arrow, and there's my second one in the same week. So really emotional, really amazing. So from day one, when we arrived at Wildebeespan, we didn't know what to expect, so we came into the hunting camp. The fire was burning, everyone had something to drink, everyone had something to eat. We were well looked after from day one till the last day. And yeah, the bush here is so beautiful. There's open spaces through the bushveld, and really anything that you would be looking for on a farm, in a game farm, where you want to hunt with your bow and arrow. I'd say this is the perfect spot.
Dirk, so we get to the end of another episode here with you guys. It was, again, an awesome experience here with Wildebeespan. Thanks again for hosting the HunTech team. And you know, it was the first time for Brendan to do his bow kill, so I think it's a real special moment for him as well.
Yes, Johan, it was a quite exciting week. We had a few old friends and a few new friends visiting. It was Andre's first time from Bolton Co. Robbie's not a new face to the farm, but he's the first time that he joined us on the show. And then yeah, we had Seppi here from Magnum Archery once again to come and support us here. Sponsored all the lovely equipment that he brought with and brought us all. We don't have that much bow shops around, so he brought us all the supply we need for the next couple of months.
Yeah.
And then yeah, it was a difficult week, like we said in the beginning of the week, with all the rain we had.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. I think we were very fortunate. We didn't shoot all the animals that we wanted to.
Yeah.
We get to hunt. We hunt some of them. I'm so glad Brendan, he got to hunt his first animals.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Because that was always to introduce a new guy into the bow hunting industry, and especially in the bow hunting family, it's always a privilege.
Yeah,
to see them to exceed. It was excellent.
Yeah, and I think now he can share that with his friends as well, and they can see where he started shooting bow, let's say 2 months ago, and now he harvested his first animals. So that's a big accomplishment for him. And I think when he felt that buck fever for the first time in the blind, he knew this is something that will get him hooked as well.
Oh yes, for sure. Oh, feel sorry for him because it was quite a build up to his first shot. I mean, we had 3 days with us. That was extremely difficult days.
Yeah. Especially
with all the rain that's been falling. The animals don't come to the blinds anymore that reluctantly, and then also all the water in the veld. So yeah, it wasn't the easy start for him.
Yeah.
And I'm just glad he managed to succeed. So I think we got his confidence and everything back into the bow.
Yeah, but it was awesome for us. You know, at least we got to shoot those 2 Nyala bulls. So it was an easier hunt than the other hunts. But I'm glad we could take those 2 bulls. Both of them are special trophies. I'm going to leave my trophy for you guys here. I know Brendan will make something special of his as well.
Yeah, no, we're very happy about that. Looking forward to Hans Oberholzer from Oberholzer Taxidermy. That's gonna help us to get those trophies up the walls. And yeah, we'll definitely, hopefully, when you guys come back again next year, we'll be able to show a little bit of that the trophies that Hans is gonna mount for us.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to that as well.
Dirk, no, just thanks again. Thanks for making HunTech part of your family. We're going to continue to help you guys grow, and it's just awesome again for us to be here again. Thanks again for putting your trust in us as well.
No, thanks a lot, Johan. Hopefully we'll be lucky enough to be together again on HunTech on the show next year. We always look forward to that. And then and if the international guys can also come back, and then also, our main priority is our local guys. You need to get our local guys out there to shoot more arrows and come and hunt. So hopefully this will also encourage some guys to feel like booking another hunting trip and come and hunt.
Yeah. So awesome. If you guys want to get in contact with Dirk, go on Facebook, search Wildebeespan Bowhunting. They're on Instagram as well. Just search Wildebeespan Bowhunting Safari. Dirk, thanks again for inviting us, and I hope you guys get many clients in the future.
No, thanks, Johan. Always a privilege having you guys here.
Thanks, Dirk.
For more info on our sponsors and destination, visit our website at www.huntechpro.co.za and find us on social media under HunTech Pro.